it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm in my scripture journal and I'm going to be using the shabby pink roses scrapbook paper and maybe these florals with crosses. I'm not 100% sure. And I'm going to be using my AdTech tape runner, scissors, tweezers, maybe a gyro cut, I don't know. And I'll link everything in the description box below in case you're interested. And I also have affiliate links from Journal Say, Doodle Diaries, and the Washi Tape Shop. And some of those have coupon codes which can save you some money. So if you're going to shop there anyway, I would appreciate it if you'd use my affiliate links. All right, let's get started. This is what I did last week. I love that. It is so pretty, all right? And this week, what I wanted to do, I got this paper out of the shabby pink roses. You get 20 sheets, and they're double-sided. I think they are lovely. And I've already cut this down to fit this. So I'm going to go ahead and just, you can see either side. I mean, you really couldn't lose, but I wanted a more muted side. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. It is very hot here. I think we are definitely in that, even though it's not summer, our summer starts very early. But I'm not going to complain because, as many of you know, we had a wonderful winter. So I'm very grateful for that. Going to line this up as best I can and put that down. Looks like I got a little off, just a little bit, but that's okay because I can hide that, okay? All right, then I used my Cricut. And my Cricut calibration is off where I haven't used it for so long. I've tried to recalibrate it several times, but as you can see, it didn't quite cut like I wanted it. But I thought this would be really pretty because my verse for this week is, "He that believeth on me, as the scripture hath said, out of his belly shall flow rivers of living water." And I see I didn't space between belly and shall, okay? John 7:38. But I think that would be really pretty. And then I was thinking of either tearing this to come down through here, or, I know this is upside down, but I was just looking if I would want to tear that and then put that. I don't know. I don't know if I like it better just, you know, just paper matching, or if I would like it. It might look different if I tear it, so I need to just go ahead and tear it. Let me cut, because I tore this out of this book and it's not, didn't tear really straight. I love this paper. Like I said, it's so beautiful. It's very vintage. It could be cottage core. I mean, it could be so much. Okay, we have that. Those could continue. Or I could flip it around like that and let that continue like that. Or I could just rip this. So to really figure out what I want, I probably should just, I kind of like the different colors, but let's see. Let's just see what we might want to do. I love to tear paper. Anybody else? Okay. And that would be like that. Okay, so that's one option. That's another option. Why do I kind of like that? Is it because it's breaking up some of that? But I kind of like that too. It just gives a very different effect, I believe. Let me tear this off. See? Kind of looks like it's in a little pocket like that, but then we have this one. I don't know. I'm kind of drawn to this, maybe just because it adds another element of something different. But that is very pretty too. It almost looks like a curtain the way I tore it. Maybe all that green picks up that green. Maybe that's what it is. I'm going to go with this one. I don't know. Let me know which one you liked. In the comments below. Because I truly... Okay, let me put this down first. And this is a sticker, like I said. I just printed it out on sticker paper and cut it. I think that's so pretty. And then this. Will come right down through there. I do like that. That's pretty. Okay, and then we'll put this on here. I really like how the Cricut cut this out. Do I want that? Let's look. Do I like it over here? I kind of like it over some and up on that water. That is so pretty. Okay, is there anything else that I want to add to this? I know this was super quick. It almost looks like I cut that out, even though I didn't. Let me see if there's anything else I want to add. The more I look at this, the more I think that was the right call to do this. I love it. I have this Lavinia stamps. It's birds. I don't even know where I got it. Might have been, I don't know. I'll look and see if I can find it. But I thought these might be pretty. Just to stamp. I don't know. Let me stamp some on some white paper and we'll see. Because I don't want to mess this up. I really do love it. And you could also, I need to cut that off. I haven't done that yet. You could also put some of the script washi on there. That would be very pretty as well. All right. Those are really cute. Let's look. Let's just cut it kind of close. And I would actually stamp it on there, but I don't want to stamp it, like I said, unless I know that is what I want. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm glad I didn't do it. Okay. Beautiful stamp, but for my purposes on this, I just didn't care for it. But I'll link it if I can find it. And I just used my VersaFine Claire Fallen Leaves, which I love. It is so beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, here is my scripture journal spread for this week. I really do love it. I'm glad that I went with this. Either one would have been really pretty, but this almost looks like you're peeking in a window and maybe this is the curtain. I just love it. And then our scripture for this week, he that believeth on me, as the scripture has said, out of his belly shall flow rivers of living water. John 7:38. That is beautiful. If you enjoyed this scripture journal with me, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.